Good evening friends, this is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video, we are going to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions for tomorrow. From the past 20 days, we are doing our consistently make the profit. Not only me, as a team, we are working together. All people will give their ideas and we are improving our skills and we are fetching good profits. Any interested people can join with us to grow together. Before going to the video, if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon for further notification. Okay, now we will move on Bank Nifty predictions first. Let me open the Bank Nifty in trading view window with 45 minutes time frame chart. So right now the Bank Nifty is reached our resistance level. Here you can see the green color line is our support level and red color line is our resistance level. Bank Nifty already touched the resistance level. As per our knowledge and rules, the Bank Nifty should go in downside, but for this time, I am expecting the Bank Nifty will reach further height after breaking our resistance level. But 100% we cannot predict at this level whether the Bank Nifty will break our resistance or not. We have to see the real-time market and we can redefine our views. We will keep on updating our views in our WhatsApp group. So we will see tomorrow the Bank Nifty how it will behave. If suppose the Bank Nifty has break the resistance line, then what would be the target? We have to define it. So in the upside, if it's break our resistance line, I feel we have to redefine our new resistance line. So I am redefining the new resistance line. If it breaks, there is a possible for reach the Bank Nifty to 36,000. But we are not sure about that. There may be chance for Bank Nifty will go in upside or in downside also. So if it goes in upside means it will go and hit our resistance line and it will get retrace maybe. But if it is going downside, it will reach our support line. There it will get retrace is possible. So we can make our upside target is 36,000 is possible and the downside target is 35,300 is possible. Let's see what will happen in the real-time market. We will see and we will update later. The latest update will be posted in our WhatsApp group. Maybe I will try to share with Telegram also if possible. Let's see tomorrow what will happen in the real-time market. I am already having one open position at 36,000 CE at 61 rupees. We will see what will happen tomorrow. Now we will move on Nifty predictions. Let me open the Nifty in 45 minutes time frame chart in our trading view window. So look at the Nifty current level. Right now it is not deviating from our support and resistance. So we not need to redefine our support and resistance. Let me keep same like that our support and resistance and we will check our analysis for the movement tomorrow. Now look at the market. Right now the market is above our support line and nearest to our support line too. So I am expecting the Nifty will go further in upside. Not on this is we should not to only think about these reasons. In addition to that, we have to look for some other reason is getting or not. I feel there is no restrictions point for Nifty, so most probably it should go in upside. Maybe some 2-3 hours it will get retrace and it may go in upside. That's what I am expecting in Nifty. Let me have a closer look on today's market. Just we will make it zoom and we will have a closer look over there. Look at this candle. Look at the green candle. You can see some big size of body is visible. So I feel that there is a very good buyers participating in the market. So already the buyers are came into the market. It's a power range candle. So already the buyers are occupied the market, I felt. So the Nifty will move in upside. Addition to that, we are having some other points also visible. You can see here I am going to encircle the area in the downside of the market today. I felt that there is a long tail has formed in two areas. So I felt that there is a buying pressure came into the market. That means buyers already start participated in the market. After that we can see the power range candle also. So these two things is very good advantages for us. I felt that Nifty will move in upside. Anyway, we need to check the global market also before entering any trade. I am expecting the Bank Nifty will move in upside and it will reach our resistance line. This will happen within, I think most probably it will happen before the expiry day. So the targets, we can define the targets. It's around 15,900 before expiry is possible. But without stop loss, we should not trade. So always we will keep our stop loss. For tomorrow's stop loss is 15,750. We can keep it. Then the furthermore updates will be given in our WhatsApp group after seeing the market direction. We can redefine the entries and exits and any other important points or the we will discuss in our WhatsApp group, and I will try to post in Telegram also. So concluding our today's predictions, I am expecting the Bank Nifty will move in upside 36,000 and downside, if moves in downside 35,300 is possible. For Nifty it will touch 15,900 is possible. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you. Grow with us.